Have you ever invested in software for your business and thought, this should make things easier, only to realize months later that it's barely been used? If your answer to this is yes, then you're not alone. The truth is that most businesses spend a lot of money on business tools, but they use less than half of what these tools can actually do. Let me start with a relatable example here. About 6 months after we started my current company, we invested in a full suite of business software. On paper, this software had everything. By the way, we're currently using Zoho One, which comes bundled with over 45 apps. It comes with CRM, there is a tool for accounting, there's tools that we use for inventory, for collaboration, and so on. But in reality, our team was only using the basics, from this software, from these tools. They were still manually collecting leads in spreadsheets and struggling to get real-time reports. The truth is, most businesses fall into this trap as well. The problem is not the tools. The tools are powerful, but without the right processes and understanding, they just sit there collecting digital dust. Now, why does this happen? First is lack of proper onboarding. People are given access, but no one shows them how to use these tools efficiently. 2, it happens because there's no clear processes in place. It is important to note that software is only as good as the process that it supports. So if your workflows are not properly defined, then the software simply can't help you solve your problems. And 3, there is fear of change. Teams often prefer sticking to old methods because learning something new usually feels risky and time-consuming. So what's the solution? Well, from my experience, here are what works. Number 1, you need to start with defining your processes. This should come first. Know exactly how your business works before trying to automate it. 2, you need to train your team properly. Don't just give them access and just assume that all is going to be fine, because that is not going to be enough. You need to walk them through the features, at least the ones that they need on a daily basis to work. Next, you need to start small and then scale up. Focus on automating the high impact areas first. For some people, it might mean sales comes first, followed by reporting. It depends on what works best for you and your business. And lastly, you need to measure and adjust accordingly. Spend some time to track your adoption, find bottlenecks, and continue to improve. Okay, I've spent many years helping businesses transition from zero structure to proper structured operations. And I've seen firsthand that companies who invest time in proper adoption and not just software itself see a huge improvement in productivity, decision making, and revenue. So what I want you to take away from this is, if you've got a business software, you need to start by asking this question: are we using it, or is it just a fancy digital tool that we renew every year? I'd love to hear your experience. What software do you use, and how much of it is really helping your business? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.